This is LeetCode question number 543, diameter of binary tree. This is an easy question. Let's get into it. Given a binary tree, you need to compute the length of the diameter of the tree. The diameter of a binary tree is the length of the longest path between any two nodes in a tree. This path may or may not pass through the root. Let's check example 1. Given a binary tree is okay. In this time, the length of the longest path is from here to here. So for 2, 1, 3, node is 4 node. And length is 4 minus 1, 3. Because length is the only between nodes, so total path is one smaller than node. And then also we also calculate with this 1, 2, 3. So return value is 3. Okay, how we can solve this question? Yeah, I'm gonna use a recursion to checking all depths, and then I calculate this depth is left length plus right length. Okay, left depth plus right depth plus 1. It is same as node count. And then finally, I will deduct minus 1 because we need to return length. Does it make sense? Okay, let's try it. Okay, first I will make a global variable. Name is max length, max depth. Yes, start with 0 because max depth is same as max node. So first is root is 1, and then I will do get depth, and I receive argument as node. And recursion has two parts. First is base case, and second is recursion relationship. So base case, if node is none, I will return 0 because I'm gonna use the bottom-up approach. And then left depth is get depth, node left, and right depth is get depth, node right. And then I will use global variable non-local max depth, and max depth is maximum value with maximum value of max depth with left depth plus right depth plus itself 1. So each mean is left depth 1, 2, and right depth, and then itself. And I will return a maximum value left depth with right depth plus 1 to increase the depth. What mean is in this case, when we checking here is the left depth is 2, and then here right depth is 1. At that time, we needed to choose the longest depth, deeper depth, because we needed to find the longest path. Does it make sense? And I will run get depth, and then I will put root in there. And I will return max depth. Max depth is same as the count of nodes, so length, if we convert it with to length, I need to minus 1. Okay, looks good. Okay, good. Okay, let's check complexity. Time complexity is it traverses only all of the node only one time, so time complexity is linear, and space complexity also linear because it uses system stack for recursion, and then worst case tree, when the tree is the screw to left side or right side, at that time depth is same as count of node. So yeah, that is region. Thank you.